Hey, it's Mike from Savvy Nomad. Tax season is finally here, and if you're an expat or a digital nomad living abroad, that means things work a little differently. Besides all the deductions and exclusions that we cover in other videos, we also have a special schedule with different deadlines. This is going to be a short video, so stick around because we have everything you need to know about the key tax deadlines for expats in 2026. Let's dive in. As you probably know, your 2025 tax return covers income earned from January 1st to December 31st of the year 2025. That's the tax return that you're filing right now in 2026. We're also all familiar with the filing deadline of April 15th that applies to ordinary taxpayers. But since we're expats, we get an automatic 2-month extension to June 15th. You don't need to file any kind of special paperwork for this. It's automatic as long as your tax home is abroad and you were physically present outside the US on April 15th. Plus, if you file Form 4868 before June 15th, you get an additional 6-month extension to October 15th. Again, it's critical that you get that Form 4868 in before April 15th or June 15th at the latest. Otherwise, no extension for you. Now, one final extension to December 15th is theoretically possible, but there's no special form for that. You have to write the IRS and ask, pretty please, with a cherry on top, can I have more time because of whatever reason? Now, you're probably wondering, so why would I even need to file an extension in the first place? Well, one of the biggest reasons for expats is the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion. To qualify for the exclusion using the physical presence test, you must spend at least 330 full days outside the United States during a 12-month period. Many expats don't hit their 330-day mark until later in the year, which means filing early could cause them to fail the test and lose their exclusion. A filing extension lets you wait until you officially qualify. Extensions are also useful because many foreign tax systems operate on a different schedule. Many countries don't issue tax statements or finalize tax returns until after the April 15th deadline here in the US. If you're claiming the foreign tax credit, then you often need those foreign tax assessments or proof of taxes paid before you can properly calculate your US credit. Now, one really big caveat here is that the extension is only an extension on filing your tax return. It is not an extension for payment. Any tax you owe is still due by April 15th, and the IRS will charge interest on unpaid tax from April 15th through the date you actually pay it, even if you file on June 15th. So to recap, expats must pay any tax owed by April 15th, but they get an automatic extension on tax return filing until June 15th. If you file Form 4868, you get an additional 6-month extension to October 15th, and one final extension is possible for December 15th on a case-by-case basis. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to sink your teeth into some great bedtime reading material, check out our 2026 Expat Tax Guide. We wrote over 40 pages of material on taxes for expats and nomads living overseas, so definitely check that out. It's free for subscribers to our email list. Link is in the video description. Also, make sure to follow our channel and hit that like button. It helps us out in the algorithm so we can get this content to more people who really need to see it. Thanks for watching, and until next video, safe travels and happy tax planning.